Hey everyone, welcome back to Quick Helper. Today, we're going to guide you through how to make a drop-down list in Excel. First, select the cell where you want to create the drop-down list. Then go to the top and select Data. Next, move over to the right and click on Data Validation. Click on Data Validation again. In the settings, change Allow to List. Now you can start typing in the source for your different options. Type in your first option. Type a comma and put a comma after each options. Press OK. To use the drop-down list, go to the right of the cell and click on the arrow. You'll see the list of options you entered. That's how you can create a drop-down list in Excel. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.